Switching from AT&T to Mint Mobile is straightforward. Start by ensuring your phone is unlocked from AT&T. Then, sign up for a Mint Mobile plan and choose either a physical SIM card or eSIM option. To keep your AT&T number, provide your AT&T account number, PIN, and the last four digits of your SSN. Mint Mobile handles the porting process. The number porting process usually takes 24 to 48 hours to complete. For eSIM, activation is digital and immediate once porting completes. If using a physical SIM, you'll receive the SIM kit in 1 to 2 days for installation. The FCC ensures you can port your number without fees. Double-check device compatibility using Mint Mobile's online checker. Finally, back up all your data from your current phone before switching to avoid losing anything. eSIM offers instant activation by scanning a QR code provided by Mint Mobile. This method is compatible with most modern smartphones like iPhone 14 and later, Google Pixel 7 Plus, and Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus. Physical SIMs require receiving the kit and inserting the card into your phone. Most people are going to use eSIM for its convenience. If you experience delays in porting your number, contact Mint Mobile support for assistance. A common issue is an incorrect AT&T account number or PIN, so ensure this information is accurate. Some AT&T devices may need firmware updates for optimal performance on T-Mobile's network, which Mint Mobile uses. You may need to get a hold of AT&T to unlock the device. Mint Mobile's app includes AI-driven compatibility checks to reduce errors and streamline the switching process.